Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of the most popular link in bio platforms out there, Linktree and Beacons AI. If you've ever wondered which one is better for creators, influencers, small businesses, or anyone who wants to showcase multiple links with one simple URL, stick around because we're covering everything you need to know, from the features of these platforms, the pricing, the pros and cons, and a balanced conclusion on what's best for showcasing your links in 2025. Let's get started. First up, Linktree. This is the original link in bio tool, the place where you put one link that houses every important thing that you want your audience to click on. It's trusted by millions of creators, influencers, small businesses, and brands across Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, and more. What makes Linktree famous is its simplicity. You sign up, you get a unique link like Linktree/your name, and instantly you can add all the different destinations where you want people to visit. Instead of swapping your social bio link every time you want to promote something new, everything lives under one roof. Linktree pioneered this category back in 2016, and because of that, it's one of the most recognized and trusted link in bio brands in the world. Now let's switch over to Beacons.ai. Beacons AI is also a link in bio platform, but it's positioned as more than just a simple list of links. It's an all-in-one creator hub. They focus heavily on creator growth, with tools built to help you engage, monetize, and grow your audience all from one page. With Beacons, you also get a unique profile link that you can put in your bio, something like beacons.ai/your name. But beyond that, Beacons markets itself as a centralized creator platform, meaning you can build out things like online stores, email campaigns, digital products, content pages, tips, and more directly inside your Beacons page without necessarily redirecting to multiple places. Now, let us talk about the main features of both platforms. We start with Linktree, link management. Unlimited links organized in one place. You can add links to social platforms, websites, portfolios, streaming services, shop pages, etc. And it works as a central bio hub that people recognize and trust. How about with Beacons.ai? It has same unlimited links, but you also get sections, content blocks, and more personalization, essentially building out a miniature landing page instead of just a list. How about the customization? Linktree has custom themes, colors, and basic layout personalization. It is clean and simple. The customization options are more limited unless you are on higher plans. And with Beacons, there's more design flexibility. You can add images, sections, custom branding, fonts, and you can even create mini pages like a blog, an online store, or contact page. This means that Beacons can feel more like your own mini website, while Linktree stays focused on clarity and simplicity with just a list of links. Next, we talk about the analytics and the performances. Linktree has basic tracking, clicks, referrals, and engagement data. You can see all of that. And the advanced analytics come with the higher tier plans. And with Beacons AI, they also have real-time analytics and more detailed engagement tracking that is built into even the basic plans. Next, we talk about monetization. With Linktree, it lets you add affiliate links, tip buttons, and shop redirects. And purchases generally happen off-platform unless specific features are available in your region. With Beacons.ai, there's a built-in storefront where you can sell digital products, courses, memberships, tips, and services directly from your page. And there are email forms, payments, and memberships without redirecting off the page. Now, let us talk about the pricing, which is the elephant in the room. For Linktree, there's a free plan, which is free forever. You have unlimited links, social icons, embeds, essential analytics, SEO optimized, and unique QR code. With the starter plan, $6 per month, everything in free plus custom themes, you can own your audience and redirect links. You can also schedule social media. And with the Pro plan, which is the recommended one for creators and solopreneurs, it's $12 per month, and you can try free for 7 days. The premium plan is $30 per month. And the pricing for Beacons.ai, there's also a free plan which is forever free. You have 30 daily AI credits, customizable link in bio, and some other features. And the creator plan comes at $8.33 per month, the creator plus at $25 per month, and creator max at $75 per month. All these prices when you plan to pay annually. If you pay monthly, you pay high. Now, what are the pros and cons of using these platforms? We start with Linktree, the pros. It's very easy to set up, and the free plan is great. It's forever free with unlimited links. And with Beacons.ai, it also has a free plan for beginners. It has beautiful customizable bio pages, and it includes email tools. It's more versatile for creators who do a bit of everything. How about the cons? For Linktree, it is specifically for links. And the cons for Beacons.ai, because it is an all-in-one platform, the pricing is higher than that of Linktree. So which platform is the best for showcasing your links in 2025? If you are a creator whose primary goal is to build a list of links so that people on your social pages can easily find these links, then Linktree is the best. You can even generate a QR code, because with a QR code you can share anything online that is scannable even on smartphones. And is it really true that you can generate free QR codes with Linktree? So it is basically for creating and maintaining links. However, if you are a creator with a multi-purpose hub, you don't just want a storefront, you need customizable link in bio and media kits and email tools as well, with forms and other branding options that are customizable, then Beacons.ai will be the better fit. And that's it on the comparison of Linktree and Beacons.ai. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Gumroad, Koji, and Podia. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.